Master Loot, DBM, Full. So I will do the callouts for the three. So Hunter, Ele Shaman, and what do you call this? And Warlock. So, stock, and BL, Bloodlust, stock more crystals, Hunter, go to the crystal, go, and Ele Shaman, okay, go. What is it? Paladin, you don't need to go to the crystals. Crystals again, go to the crystals, okay, good. Second phase, Black Blood coming. So you need to run behind the pillars. Go. Run behind the pillars. Thank you for the feral roar. Run behind. Hide. Yeah, so basically that's just it. And go. So crystals and stack again. Stack. Stack harder for the druid hills. And go. Warlock, Ele Shaman, and Hunter. Okay, good job. Crystals on the other side. Go. Crystals on the other side. Again. Okay, well played. Please heal the tank. Heal the tank hard. Pop your CDs if you have. Pop your CDs. You need to heal the tank harder this phase. As the roar. You will need to heal the tank harder this time. The lower more chalk HP goes, the harder he hits. Okay, go. Stack harder. Stack first. Crystals behind. Thank you. Yes. Sino yung Gudo? Moti, wag ka kagad umalis pagka hintay mo pong mag-pop yung crystal. Heal the tank harder. Thank you. Crystals. Stay. Stay and burst. Stay. No need to hide, Hunter. Burst. Go. It's dead. Mail for the